Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss a very special topic, which is a very interesting topic, colloid root of cycas. Cycas is a gymnospermic plant and has so many interesting features, and one of them is colloid root of cycas. This is the cycas plant. We all see it in gardens, in homes. It is an ornamental plant, and most of the people like to plant it in pots in gardens. So, as to they have to take a very minimum care of it, and it dwells. Cycas is a gymnospermic plant. It is a dioecious plant, meaning male and female reproductive parts are found on distinct plants. मतलब मेल और फीमेल कोन्स डिफरेंट प्लांट्स पर ग्रो करते हैं. It shows xerophytic characteristics as the leaves have a thick cuticles, sunken stomata and a well developed taproot. ये देखिए साइकस का प्लांट है. इसमें से जितनी सारी रूट्स अभी निकली हुई हैं, जब ये प्रिवेल करता है तो एक जो सबसे स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट वन है वो सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छे से डेवलप करती है, एंड दैट बिकेम द टैप रूट ऑफ साइकस. एंड इस टैप रूट से बाद में इस तरीके से कुछ कॉरलाइड रूट्स निकलती हैं, और ये मेन टैप रूट से निकलकर वापस जमीन के बाहर निकल आती है. और ये दुनिया की अनोखी ऐसी रूट्स हैं जिनके अंदर ग्रीन इन कलर है. बिसाइड्स द वेल डेवलप्ड टैप रूट, a special type of root is also found in cycas. Because their appearance is more or less like coral reef, they are called coralloids. They originate from tap roots, and in spite of growing downwardly, they grow upwardly and became visible from out of Earth's surface. These coralloid roots are green in color. They are photosynthetic. They play effective role in nitrogen fixation. They are negatively geotropic. They branch vigorously in a dichotomous manner. An algal band is present in the cortical region, in which some Myxophycean algae or cyanobacteria or Cyanophycean algae dwells in, like Anabina and nostoc. From nearby the trunk of this cycas, these comes out from the earth's surface. These typically dichotomous branching is clearly visible from these roots. Look, these are very clearly divided into two branches. Whenever a root branch of any root is divided, it is always divided into two equal halves. When we compare it from normal root, then we can see the changes, the specific features. The normal root is positively geotropic, while the coralloid roots are negatively geotropic. They are brown or pale yellow in color, while coralloid roots are green in color. Branching is irregular manner, while in coralloid roots, branching is typically dichotomous. Algal zone absent, while in colloid roots, algal zone is present or algal band is present in cortex. Vascular tissues are radially arranged, means xylem and phloem are radially arranged on 4 radii in dicots and 5 to 8 radii in monocots. While in vascular tissues, while in colloid roots, vascular tissues are triradiate, means they are located on 3 radii. Look, these are 3 radii on which vascular tissues are arranged, and in middle cortex, this is the algal band where the Anabina and nostoc like Cyanophycean or Myxophycean algae dwells. Some mucilage cells and tendon cells are also visible in the TS of root. And now the quotation: if you can't do big things, do small things in a special manner. अगर आपको अपनी पहचान बनानी है तो कोई बहुत बड़े काम करने की जरूरत नहीं होती. अगर आप छोटे छोटे काम भी अच्छे ढंग से करते हैं या स्पेशल मैनर में करते हैं, वो आपकी पहचान बनाते हैं. थैंक यू.